A mutual fund is one of the popular investment options among individuals. There are thousands of mutual funds in India that an investor can invest in. But selecting the top 10 mutual funds or which mutual fund is the best is not easy. So, if you are looking for the best mutual fund, you need to look at your risk profile and the time horizon of your goals. The risk profile is your willingness and ability to take risks. Hence, a person willing to take more risks might invest in high-risk funds that will not be suitable for an investor who can't handle risks. The time horizon of your goals, i.e., the period during which one plans to hold an investment for a specific aim, also plays an essential factor. Investors can invest in high-risk funds for their long-term goals rather than short-term goals. Best performing equity mutual funds are 1. Tata Digital India Fund, 29.38%. 2. Quant Small Cap Fund Direct Plan Growth, 50.07%. 3. Quant Tax Plan Direct Growth, 37.06%.